Nice to meet you.
So I have this phone.
This is the 14 Plus, and you said it's boot looping?
Yeah, it got water damage.
Because of the water damage.
When I put it to charge, it has the Apple logo.
Okay. So the messed up part is like when the back glass is broken, the water gets inside much easier, you know?
Okay.
So I'm going to open it, and I'm going to check it for you.
Okay.
Like a lot of times, the first thing that goes bad is the proximity sensor. And if I replace that, hopefully it's going to work.
Okay.
If not, I'm going to let you know, okay?
Try the best.
Exactly, bro.
So
I'll see you like, 15, 20 minutes.
Okay, no
I got you. Thank you.
You cannot do it like in 24 hours.
Nah, there's no way. It just takes so much time to check the motherboard. Like, I gotta put it under a microscope.
I'll give you the 50 right now.
Okay.
Let me think about it because
got
it's my
you.
wife. And
I
then
got
if
you.
I decide,
Yeah.
I give
Yeah, you got the
phone.
50 credit with me, so all you have to do is pay the rest.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is you have sell, right?
Yeah.